Project Polymorph is an ambitious art/research project that I'm working on in my spare time, and in this video I will give you a brief overview of what Project Polymorph is all about. The goal of Project Polymorph is to create a smart media platform, meaning a media platform that is smarter than what we have available today via standard web technologies. The app is a desktop app which you can install on a desktop computer. And the app will contain an advanced media browser and media player as well as other useful media related tools. The fabric connects all the apps into a coherent network, enabling the apps to communicate directly without the need for a central service in between. The primary goal of the app is to enable the user to find and play standard media files such as audio, video, images, text documents, and presentations. I also want the users to be able to compose their own media experiences from individual media files, such as attaching an audio track to a presentation or attach a subtitle file to a video, and I want the users to be able to share these media compositions with each other. An advanced feature that I'm currently considering is the ability to connect multiple apps into a single coherent media system so the user can create media experiences that span across multiple devices. Of course, I want the app to be easy to use, but with a lot of advanced functionality built in, making it easy to use is a challenge in and of itself, and I guess time will tell how well I am able to deliver on this particular goal. I plan to implement the prototype of the app in Java and JavaFX and probably with GraalVM and possibly with TornadoVM, but that is not 100% decided yet. The goal of the fabric is to enable a peer-to-peer style communication between the apps connected to it, preferably with a geographically aligned topology so that users located within the same geographical region, country or continent do not have their communication transported via servers outside of that region, country or continent. This results in a much more efficient and secure routing of data between apps. The fabric should support asynchronous versions of well-known communication models such as request response, subscribe notify, and broadcast and multicast. Ideally, the fabric should also be able to intelligently cache data that is being sent to more than one user so that the data does not have to be transmitted from the source app for every single time. And I also want the fabric to be able to adapt to and optimize for the use cases that it supports, and exactly how that will look depends on the use cases the fabric ends up supporting. I plan to implement the fabric in Java and probably with GraalVM and TornadoVM, but that is also not 100% decided yet. Possible use cases for Project Polymorph are peer-to-peer communication such as what we saw with early Skype, peer-to-peer viewing and sharing of documents and files directly between users such as browsing the web without web servers, or a group of students sharing notes about an assignment they're working on. It could be peer-to-peer backup where you can store your photos on a family member or a friend's computer. It could be live streaming to an audience, or it could be streamable interactive media experiences such as a movie that enables the user to decide if the main character should walk through door number 1 or walk through door number 2, and then have the video stream adapt to that choice. Or it could be streamable applications, which I imagine to be similar to remote desktop sessions. So you connect to a remote application and you stream all the graphics down, and you send mouse and keyboard clicks the other way to the application. This is similar to if you were streaming a video game, for instance. And I'm sure as the project progresses that I will come up with more possible use cases. To make Polymorph able to support all its intended functionality while having Polymorph stay as coherent and efficient as possible, I've had to do quite a bit of research and development so far, and I still have some way to go. As the project progresses, I expect to release more videos and articles that explain these research areas and their resulting designs in greater detail. If you are curious about this project, I expect to release more information in a near future on the Project Polymorph website at plmph.com. Or you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I will also be releasing more videos about Project Polymorph in the future. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions regarding Project Polymorph, you can write them in the comments below this video and I will do my best to answer them. Remember to check out the description below this video for links related to Project Polymorph.